Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to look at the Python string zfill method. So by definition, the zfill method adds zeros at the beginning of the string until it reaches the specified length. If the value of the length parameter is less than the length of the string, no filling is done. So this is how the syntax looks like. As we can see, there is one required parameter, and the parameter specifies the length of the return string with zeros filled to the left side. And the method will return a copy of string with 0 characters padded to the left side of the given string. Okay, so let's look at some examples. In the first example, we have a regular string, and yeah, if we run the zfill method on it, we can see that the return string is of length 10, and 5 0 characters have been added to the left side of the string. In the second example, we have a string which is longer than 10 characters. And so if we run this, we can see that none of the padding has been done. In this third example, we have a sign character in front of the string. In this case, it's plus. And so if we run the zfill method on it, the padding or the 0 characters will be appended after the sign characters, after the first sign character. So in the last example, we have two sign characters right next to each other. And so if you run the zfill method on it, we can see that the zeros will be added in between these two sign characters, basically right after their first sign character. Yeah, so this is the zfill method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.